I started in 2021 with a severe joint pain. It just came all of a sudden. So when I went to see the doctor, he said I had the osteoarthritis and referred me to another hospital in another city in my country. They said, no need for operation. Just try to lose weight, some physiotherapy, and continue with painkillers. So I did that for quite some time. This year in January, I started feeling the same pain. So I went to another doctor. So when she saw me, she said, no. You need to go for a knee replacement. He gave me 3 choices of hospitals, but I was interested with the Mumbai. I've heard a lot about Mumbai. So apart from being ill, I said, why can't I go and see Mumbai as well? So I told him, what about this one? But it looks expensive. And then when we compared with the other 2 hospitals, we actually discovered that it was cheaper than the other hospitals. And you stay in hospital for a short period. So I told my medical insurer that I will go to Wockhardt Hospital in Mumbai. When I arrived, immediately, the driver was there to take me to the hospital. My doctor kept on coming and telling me what will happen. That he prepared me psychologically. So I was not afraid. The way how he treated me was like it was a simple procedure. He made me so comfortable to feel as if the procedure was so simple, and yet it's a very big procedure. And as I said, my surgeon, I salute Dr. Mudit Kana. So when I was in theater, so I was comfortable throughout. But when the following morning the physiotherapist came, already he took me down and started walking and started exercises. I was like, wow, my God, this man is going to kill me. But that was so helpful. I would even forget that I'm in a hospital. I thought I was in a hotel. And the other day I was talking with my family at home. I said, it's just across the hotel. And then my husband said, you're not in a hotel, you're in a hospital. So that is the kind of treatment which I got. So post-operatively, I've been very well. I've enjoyed my stay as a post-op patient. This is a very good hospital with very good class doctors.